Meaning of dactyl. Dactyl. Dactyl.
Dactyl. Dactyl. Dactyl is a term used in poetry and linguistic studies to describe a metrical foot or a specific type of poetic rhythm consisting of one stressed syllable followed by two unstressed syllables. The word dactyl comes from the Greek word daktylos, which means finger or toe, as the three syllables in a dactyl are often said to resemble the joints of a finger or toe. This pattern of stressed-unstressed syllables can create a lively and energetic tone in poetry, and it was commonly used in ancient Greek and Latin verse.